Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for west central Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, southwestern Kent County in northeastern Maryland until 2 a.m. At 1:26 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Stevensville, or near Seven River, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Stevensville and Chester around 1:35 a.m. Opening around 2 a.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Queenstown and Stevensville South. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover